Right next to the kitchen in a quiet little house, a washing machine stood silently in its corner. Every day, as it spun and swirled loads of laundry, I secretly glanced over at the refrigerator in the kitchen. With its shiny surface and solid, confident stance, the refrigerator looked so cool, literally, and secret. Whenever its door opened, refreshing greens and delicious treasures were revealed. So cool, thought the washing machine. I wish I could be like that. The washing machine couldn't help but admire the refrigerator. One night, when the house was quiet and still, the washing machine finally spoke up. Hey, refrigerator, I want to be like you. The refrigerator softly closed its door and replied, you're already wonderful, you know. Without me, this family wouldn't have clean clothes to wear every day. I just keep things cold, but you take dirty things and make them clean again. Isn't that something amazing? The washing machine said nothing for a moment, but inside, something warm began to turn, almost like a gentle spark. Thank you, refrigerator. I think I'm starting to like myself a little more. From that night on, the washing machine spun with a little more confidence. Its hum became softer, and the laundry came out fluffier than ever. Though the kitchen and laundry were a bit apart, the washing machine kept turning with quiet joy. And every so often, it whispered a song. Thank you,